Hello, Isabella here to help you let go of some limiting beliefs so you can move on to become successful in whatever you want. First of all, there is nothing wrong with you. Your brain is working quite well. You have just been programming your mind all these years to think a certain way, and now that way just does not serve you anymore. We are here to help you change that programming to one that fits your needs at the present time by revealing certain truths. So let's get started. Day 8. You are where you're meant to be and going through what you are meant to go through. Therefore, there's always a purpose to the pain and the experiences, and it's your job to find out what that purpose is and grow from it. Every situation is meant to help you become better, whether negative or positive. This mindset will empower you to see the life in an entirely new way. This mindset will allow you to look for and see the opportunities and possibilities that will help you grow and change something that doesn't serve you well. The subconscious mind doesn't respond to what you like or don't like, or what you do or do not want. It only responds to what you focus on. And when you focus on something, you feed it. And what you feed grows. And when you try to push something out of your mind, you actually hold it in place by your focus on it. When you shift your focus, you allow that thing to leave. Your mind is currently focused on the past or future, which is holding on to the pain. By shifting your focus on the present moment, you release them and along with it, the pain. If your mind drifts to the negatives of the future 100 times a day, then shift your focus 101 times. Do the same if your mind drifts to the past. Don't fight the focus or you will feed them. Just simply shift the focus. Soon you will have reconditioned your mind to stay focused on the present moment and in your personal power state. When the negatives of the future come into your mind, remember truth one, that you can get through anything. When the negatives of the past come into your mind, remember truth two, that you can learn anything to achieve anything, which changes your future thinking so the past won't be repeated. Remember, they are just thoughts. They cannot harm you or control you without your permission. You have had millions of thoughts throughout your life that you didn't respond to. You can do this. Make this a top priority in your life and watch your life change profoundly. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you want to check out my side hustle, please click the link below. Also, please like and subscribe to stay informed when I upload another video. Again, thank you for watching and God bless.